to get this controller, here you can see it's off, to pair the Xbox wireless controller with your iPad or with your iPhone. It's the same thing. You have to perform only go to settings, okay, go to general, and if you're in general, then you see here Bluetooth. Bluetooth has to be on, switched on, of course, because now we are going to connect this Xbox wireless controller with that iPad. To perform this, we have to push the pair button on top of our Xbox controller here and keep holding it until it begins flashing. Here we are. Now you can see here, there it is, Xbox wireless controller, push there, and only a second, it will cost only a second. We have to pair it, job's done. Now, this Xbox controller is paired with that iPad Pro, for example. You can perform the same way by using an iPhone. So, let's perform this on iPhone too, okay? We perform the same thing. We go to the good old settings. Here we are. So, settings, then setting, go back. Here is Bluetooth. We are now in Bluetooth, and before we are going to dock this device onto our new iPhone, we have to delete it here. Forgot this device. Okay, now it's back. It's gone. Yeah, now we are going to push here the pair button until it's flashed. Wait a second, and we will see. Here is the Xbox wireless controller. Now we can pair it, and paired, job's done. Now we can play all games with that Xbox controller here. To remove the controller, it's really easy. Here, push and forget this device. Then we are out of it, okay? Awesome, isn't it? And now you can see, here is the iPad, and now I can navigate by using the Xbox controller. That's awesome, isn't it? Yeah. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.